It's a weird night. Were you out, like, just wandering? I'd rather do something with a bit of color. It's not an abstract statement. It's a very specific statement. Would you like to come back with me? You can come back to my studio and we can discuss this further. So, what it all comes down to is what you want to believe in. I mean, I believe that we all have these various belief systems. In fact, I believe that disbelief doesn't even really exist. I mean, you have to believe in something, and that's the way it goes. So, when we're trying to figure out anything, I don't care what it is, and whether we do it through art or even through our daily jobs, maybe we're trying to perpetuate our own existence. I mean, that whole American dream thing, I don't know, about going to work and getting a good job is still a belief system. It's not very artistic and not very interesting to me, but it's what we use. We all have these various belief systems. So, what do you think? Yeah. I mean, that's good. I mean, because you disbelieve. I mean, without disbelief, there's no believing. And if you believe in something, then you might actually disbelieve it. But that's really just an element of believing something else, you see. I mean, if I say blah, blah, blah is AAA, and you say, no, it's not, it's B, well, it's disbelief, but it's really belief in B, not disbelief of A, is what I'm saying. So you're just taking your belief system, which is, I guess you could say a disbelief system, but not really. So actually by disbelieving or believing in something else, you're actually stimulating what I believe in, and stimulating thought in that, and stimulating and provoking thought in what you believe in, which in fact is not disbelief at all, but belief. I guess being thoughtless does have its advantages, you know.
What do you want? Something weird going on in this neighborhood. You know anything about it? You part of it? Oh yeah, fine. Like you know it, okay? You tell me. What am I supposed to do? Camus says that the only serious question is suicide. Tom Robbins says the only serious question is who knows how to make love stay. Tom Robbins also says, you answer me my question, and I'll tell you whether or not to kill yourself. Go on, go about your life. I'll be here when you get back. As a matter of fact, I might be where you're going before you get there.
I'm sorry, sir. The kitchen's closed.
Of course, I had to make the obligatory phone calls the next morning, basically to find out what the hell I did the night before. And, hey, Earl, great party last night. I just wanted to phone and say thank you very much. And I did what? What's it going to cost me? Ah, come on, a little soap and water. I'll take care of that. Cats are tough. But you shouldn't have let me drive myself home, Earl. You shouldn't have let me. You're my friend. You care about me. Well, because I don't own a car, Earl. I got a Buick in my parking lot. I don't know who the hell belongs to me. watching the show.
Okay, okay, something a little bit more glamorous now, okay. Caress your hockey sticks. Yeah, that's it. Very good, okay, that looks very, very, very attractive. Alright, now then I'll get a couple of full lengths here, okay, to capture the gown, okay. That's it, yeah, get very sporty now. Hey, why don't you come in? Why don't you join us? You look perfect. Come on. Okay, that's right. In the middle, we'll do a trio. Okay, I'll take one from down here. Now look into the camera. That's it. Okay, let's go for that. Very nice. Okay, let's have something a little bit more serious now. Okay, serious expressions. Yeah, I want you to look a little bit hard. Okay, straight at me now, into the lens. Okay, thanks a lot.
I'm not generally out in bars every night reading novels. I was waiting for a friend, but it looks like she's too busy. Oh, sure. No, please join me. There's something sort of pathetic about being able to finish an entire novel while waiting for a no-show. Please, sit down. I'm working on my thesis, so I don't really get out much anymore. I don't know if you've ever had the opportunity to henna your hair, but it's this long, messy ordeal, and all of the henna is actually this plant that's been smashed into a powder, and it sort of smells like tea and looks like green mud by the time you mix it with hot water. And because it's green, it gets all over everything, leaving sort of a stain if you've got towels or clothes. So there it was in my apartment. And I was going to henna my hair, so it makes a lot of sense. You take off all your clothes to do the henna. And then at the end of it, you want to keep your hair warm in a wrap. So I ended up putting garbage bags on my hair. So there I am. You know, I've got this green mud all over my hair, tied with a garbage bag, completely naked, in my own apartment. And I go over to change the channel on the TV, and there's a window facing, and there's a guy there lifting weights, watching me. So obviously I'm panicked. So what do?
Hi there. What do you think of the place? This is where I come to get away, just to relax. It's an interesting play that I'm doing. It helps me, I guess, get in touch a little bit with who I used to be. As a woman who sort of went through something. It was a relationship that went bad. It were just the wrong people meeting together, and I don't know, I feel stronger doing it. because I've maybe had that experience behind me.
What are you looking at? What do you want? I'd like to be like Captain Kirk. I'd like to fly where no man's gone before. Just impregnate female aliens everywhere. I saw this fucking picture of this chick in a magazine. Her pussy was supposed to be shaved like Elvis. Looked more like Willie Nilsson. You better be careful. I'm seeing this stripper, man. She's fucking pierced everywhere. Her fucking cunt is pierced, and her nipples are fucking pierced. And she's really into having them like tied together and just fucking pulled, man. I fucking get off on it, but it's pretty weird. Hey, listen. I got a meeting, okay? I've got to be somewhere really soon. But, I think you might find it pretty interesting. Why don't you come along with me? Listen, I got stuff to do, okay? So why don't you just fucking blow, okay? Because I gotta leave really soon, and I don't need your fucking bullshit.
Hi. That's nice. Yeah, I like that. You seem like quite an interesting sort of person yourself, yeah. What did you take me for? You know, I mean, what do you think I am? I'd like to ask you something. I mean, would you say that I was a woman? Or, I mean, would you be interested in me if I wasn't a woman? If I was a man? How does that affect you? Well, I mean, we can't say anything more about it. It's about all, you know, the end of conversation, I would say.
What?
Hey, what can I do for you? Well, take your pick. You can have those two wing nuts over there, or partner with Romeo and Juliet over here. Or you can sit and look at my welcoming face. Fine, go sit with them. Is this a face of concern? Jeez. Good night. Did you hear me? Good night. Nah, it's not even a good anymore. Night! Get the hell out.
What is it? Some sort of bizarre space creature from another world! Ah! Earthlings! My craft has landed on your pitiful planet! My brethren and I will lay waste to your useless little world! They're coming!